In this short video, I would like to address a pitfall in saline infusion sonography. These images were those of a 35-year-old who presented with heavy menstrual bleeding. These are the transvaginal images. This is the anterior lip of the cervix, posterior lip of the cervix, cervical canal, well circumscribed lesion within the endometrial cavity, and this is the catheter balloon within the endometrial cavity. And this is the pitfall I want to address. If you want to assess the endometrial cavity, the catheter balloon should be around the level of the internal os, such that when you instill the fluid, it will distend the endometrial cavity. But if the catheter balloon is within the endometrial cavity, you will not be able to distend satisfactorily, and so lesions can be missed. So here you can see cervical canal, well circumscribed lesion here, and this is the catheter balloon wrongly placed for saline sonohysterography. So if you instill saline with the catheter balloon in the endometrial cavity, you will not be able to distend the endometrial cavity for you to assess the presence or absence of any lesion. So let's look at this. Fluid instilled through the catheter now with the balloon in the endometrial cavity. So you see that fluid is being instilled, but you can see that the endometrial cavity is not well distended because of the presence of this catheter balloon within the endometrial cavity. So in this case, what do you do? Look at this video. Look at where the catheter balloon is. And shortly you see that the assistant will pull the catheter balloon lower down to its rightful position around the level of the internal os. So look at this. So assistant is pulling. You see this? To its rightful position, which is where? The internal os. So if you now instill the fluid into the endometrial cavity, look at what you will see. Where distended endometrial cavity, the lesion clearly outlined. When you are done, you can also withdraw the catheter under direct vision. By so doing, you will assess the lower part of the uterus, the cervix, and at times the upper part of the vagina, as we shall see shortly. So you see this? At the end of the procedure, catheter has been withdrawn. So look at the cervical canal, clearly outlined, anterior of the cervix, posterior of the cervix, and look at the upper vagina here, clearly seen because of the presence of fluid. Here, look at the posterior fornix, clearly seen because of the presence of fluid. So, thank you very much for listening.